Choosing the best dash cam for 2024 can help keep you safe on the road and provide evidence in case of accidents. Here are some of the top options to consider. Number one, first place, this is not my list. It's called the Nextbase 622 GW. It's highly rated for the 4K video quality. It captures clear day footage and night footage, and it has features like built-in GPS and emergency response, making it a great choice for drivers who want extra protection. Another excellent option is the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. This camera is compact and offers high definition video with a wide viewing angle. It also has a voice control, allowing you to save footage hands-free. It's really convenient. Another one is called the Vantrue N4. I'll put it all in the description. It's a popular 3-channel dash cam, meaning it records from both the front, the rear of the car, plus the interior. It makes it perfect for riders, or drivers that want to capture all angles. Now, for those looking for something budget-friendly, the Anker Rove S1 is a solid choice. It offers good video quality and is essential. It has essential features without breaking the bank. Now finally, we got the ThinkWare U1000, another top contender with the advanced features like cloud connectivity and built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to access footage easily. Now these dash cams can provide peace of mind and valuable evidence while you're on the road in 2024, so let me know which one you like the most.